Bigg Boss 19 makers to air special episode before grand premiere. Deets inside Bigg Boss 19 is just around the corner, and with just weeks left for the show's premiere, a new update has come in. There is a report that a special episode will premiere before the grand premiere of the new season of the Salman Khan hosted controversial reality show. As per a report in Telechucker, the makers of the show are planning something unique this year with a special episode to be released before the grand premiere on August 24th. As per the report, this episode will not be broadcast on TV and will be available only on Jio Hotstar. The episode, named Agni Pratiksha, will air on the OTT platform on August 23rd, a day before the grand launch. If this report comes true, it will be the first time in the history of Bigg Boss that a special episode will air a day prior to the show's actual launch. Everything you need to know about Bigg Boss 19. Recently, the makers of Bigg Boss 19 unveiled the first promo of the show featuring the host and actor Salman Khan. In the clip, he is seen portraying a politician and donning a traditional outfit, promising a theme centered around politics. Nana post shared by Colors TV. Colorspin a statement, the actor shared, "I've been a part of Bigg Boss for a long time, and as we all know, the game evolves every year, and it's Garwalo ki Sarkar. And when too many people start pulling the threads, things will get nasty. That's when the cracks appear and the house transforms into a combat zone. After all these years, I can honestly say that I'm as excited as you are to see how it all turns out." Bigg Boss 19 contestant lists. Celebs who are the probable contestants of the season are Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashmas, Gurujran Singh, Apurv Mukhijat, Mr. Faizu aka Faisal Sheikh, Dhanashri Varma, Mirados Thal, and Babika Sharma, among others. There was also chatter about a UAE-based robot named Habubu joining the show. However, a source informed the Indian Express that the robot may no longer be a part of the final lineup. Bigg Boss Season 19 marks a fresh chapter for the legacy reality series that continues to redefine Indian non-fiction television. Stay updated with the latest TV news updates from daily serials to reality TV shows and your favorite small screen celebrity news. Download the News 18 app now. Latest blogs.